Welcome to Redline Review. The 2025 Bentley Motorhome redefines luxury on wheels by merging Bentley craftsmanship with luxury mobile home functionality. This ultra-luxury RV is a 5-star suite on wheels for those who demand exclusivity, refinement, and top-tier performance even on open highways. Exterior model. In 2025, the Bentley Motorhome exudes luxury and authority. This sleek, aerodynamic vehicle sports a Bentley Matrix grille, dual-tone body finishes, and LED matrix headlamps. Chrome highlights, 22-inch alloy wheels, and retractable side steps add luxury. The full-body panoramic glass option gives the car a futuristic look. A motorized awning and discreet storage compartments keep lines clean and polished. Luxurious inside Bentley's hand-stitched leather, authentic wood veneers, and knurled aluminum finishes greet you inside. Features of the spacious interior include plush seats with diamond-quilted leather sofas, a retractable 4K OLED TV, ambient lighting, and an integrated bar. The kitchen has a marble countertop, induction cooktop, wine cooler, espresso machine, and smart refrigerator. Bedrooms have king-size beds with memory foam mattresses, suede headboards, and clever climate control systems. Bathroom has a full-size rain shower with glass enclosure, porcelain sink, and heated flooring. Every element, from materials to color schemes, can be changed to create a personalized experience. Technology-related connectivity, information and entertainment. Bentley fitted its advanced entertainment system throughout the vehicle. Voice control, multi-zone music, and in-motion satellite TV are included. USB-C and wireless charging stations, a 5G router, and Starlink satellite internet are available. A touchscreen interface controls lighting, temperature, blinds, and security in the control system. The smartphone may also access all these functionalities. Performance, RDP. The Bentley Motorhome features a custom-built structure and a twin-turbocharged V8 engine, or hybrid powertrain, for smooth acceleration and quiet highway cruising. Among the features, air suspension, adjustable for comfort or off-roading. All-wheel drive provides safety on various terrains. The driving assistance package includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, surround view cameras, and automatic parking. Safety and security assurance. The 2025 Bentley Motorhome has biometric access, motion detectors, camera surveillance, fire and gas leak monitoring, emergency call and tracking, and more. Cost and availability. The 2025 Bentley Motorhome starts at $1.5 million and can rise further according to customization. Production is limited to a few dozen pieces per year to protect exclusivity. Conclusion. The 2025 Bentley Motorhome exudes elegance, luxury, and relaxation. It is suitable for ultra-luxurious vacationers who wish to travel the world without sacrificing Bentley estate sophistication. There's no other option if you can afford it.